Want to get paid just for typing? Here are 3 real sites that pay worldwide and joining is free. First, Reverend Rev hires freelancers for transcription, captions and translations. It's free to sign up and you get paid weekly via PayPal after you pass their sample test. Typical pay per audio minute and varies depending on the job, and many creators report steady, small gigs you can do in spare time. If you're starting, expect to take a transcription test first. Second, TranscribeMe. They also offer short audio clips to transcribe and are free to join. TranscribeMe advertises starting pay ranges per audio hour and they process payments through PayPal for crowd workers. It's a good option for beginners because clips are short and plentiful. Third, ClickWorker. This one's not only transcription, it's micro tasks like data entry, typing, and short text jobs. Join for free, take qualification tests, and you'll see task listings in your dashboard. ClickWorker pays weekly or bi-weekly via PayPal, Payoneer, or direct transfer depending on your country, so check your payment options in your account. It's worldwide but pay and task volume vary by country. Want more? If you want, I'll make a follow-up showing a live sign-up walkthrough for the one you pick. Tell me which one in the comments.